Hi there, Dr. Jeff Luke of M Powered Chiropractic. This is my office. Let me give you a tour. Take you into our lobby. As you walk in, there are some chairs to sit in, a TV to watch. More importantly, hydrate with our natural spring water. We would like you to check in either on the iPad or your phone. And of course, we have a front desk associate who will be here to help you with any questions you may have. Head on back. As we head back, we have a restroom for all of our patients. But more importantly, we have our awesome spinal decompression machine here that we treat severe disc herniations with. As we head back over here, you're going to see that we have a room that we use for our consultations as well as our pulse chair. To our left, we have a kids zone, which is amazing because we treat lots of families. It is a safe place outside of the lobby that the kids can wait and play in while you receive treatment. We also have 2 treatment areas so that we can treat you and your spouse at the same time, saving time. We also have our screens that are going to project our therapy points, as well as leverage our tools and our apps that we use to show you all the intricate connectedness of the muscles in the body, as that's what we specialize in. We also have pretty amazing posters here, unique posters that are showing the interconnectedness of the muscles, the tendon, and the fascia, which is what we balance here and we specialize in. So we'd love to see you. We'd love to be a part of your health journey and your recovery journey. Come see us at M Powered Chiropractic.